respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. This is Aryan Sopti
And this is Aditi Sopti
of class 5th C, going to take you through the proceedings of today's special morning assembly. The topic is Save Electricity, Save Earth.
Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. Let us pray to the Almighty to touch us with His healing hands.
Lord, make me an instrument of thy purpose. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, forgiveness. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. O Divine Master, grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in giving that we receive. It is in forgiveness that we are forgiven.
Thank you, Shravya. Now I call upon Abhinav Ranjan to recite a shlok from the Bhagavad Gita and explain its meaning.
Good morning everyone, my name is Abhinav Ranjan. I am from class 5th C. I am going to recite a shloka and its meaning. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Atha Dvadashodhyayah. Shri Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satatayuktaye Bhakta Swam Paryupasate Ye Chapyaksharam Vyaktam Tesham ke yoga vittamaha. Between those who are steadfastly devoted to your personified form and those who worship the formless unity, who are the ones who are the better yogis. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinav. Now the choir is going to present a song.
For the wonderful song. Let us remember our duties towards our nation. Now I call upon Arnav Suman to administer the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Arnav, for reminding us our duties towards our nation, to enlighten us and brightening our morning. Here comes Grahita and Rehansha with the thoughts for the day and its meaning.
Good morning everybody. I am Grahita of class 5th C. I am going to present today's thought of the day. Thought of the day is: smile is electricity and life is a battery. Whenever you smile, the battery gets charged and beautiful day is activated. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning everyone. I am Rehansha of class 5C and I am going to present the meaning of the thought. The meaning of the thought is electricity is one of the most important innovations, and the human race is thriving without it highly unlikely. Similarly, a smile is a sign of joy and pleasure, brings eternal happiness, and rejuvenates everyone around. It reminds us that despite of fast pace of life, one must always be happy and appreciate the little things in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Grahita and Riyansha, for illuminating our day. Now here comes Pranav Kushal Ram to enlighten us with the topic.
Good morning, everybody. I am A. Pranav Kushal Ram from class 5C. Today, I am going to present the topic of the day. Save electricity, save earth. Electricity is an essential part of our modern life. We use electricity for heating, cooling, lighting, refrigeration, and also for operating appliances, computers, electronics, and many more. But the energy conservation remains a significant environmental concern as we still generate most of the electricity using fossil fuel, coal, natural gas, and oil. According to International Energy Agency (IEA), coal-fired power plants are the most significant contributors to emissions growth. Coal-fired electricity generation accounts for 30% of carbon dioxide emissions. But there is one solution for all of these. Energy saved is energy generated. Though electricity is cleaner, saving energy still helps the environment. Saving electricity helps reduce demand and also reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Though our electricity conservation changes might seem small, but they all add up. We can conserve electricity at our home by replacing incandescent bulbs with energy efficient ones, insulating our water heaters, turning off lights whenever we go out, etc. Until the time we are entirely dependent on green energy resources, we can all contribute to our collective effort to slow down the effect of global warming and to preserve our natural resources. Becoming energy efficient at home can save money and also helps us to do our bit on cutting down on emissions. So friends, from now onwards, I hope you all will save energy and do your bit to save Earth. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Pranav Kushal. Here comes Shriya Priyadarshini to tell us simple tips to save electricity.
Good morning everyone. I am Shriya Priyadarshini from class 5th C. Now I am going to give you simple tips to save electricity. Energy. Without it, absolutely nothing could be happen. Sunshine, wind, water and plants flow through these energies will never stop. Oil, coal, natural gas and atomic energies are limited to these energies. These energies can be all used up if we use too much and there be none left. So we should make sure that we are not using too much energy. We should know the smart ways to use the energy. When you are leaving a room more than 5 minutes, don't forget to turn off the lights and fans. On a sunny day, open the curtains and just use natural light. It's simple. Take out incandescent light bulbs and compact fluorescent bulbs and switch to LED bulbs. They use lot less energy. Just turn off the TV when you are not watching. When it is not hot, turn off the AC. When you are done with the computer, shut it off. When you are not using, unplug the appliances like computer
in the fridge. This may cause more energy. When product with star labels use less energy than others, keep an eye out for them when you are shopping. Energy smart means doing little things that are important, like using the both side of the paper. If you can reuse anything, then do so. All these tips will not just help you save energy, it will also save your money too. Thank you.
Thank you, Shri Pradarshini, for making us aware of the ways of saving electricity. Now comes Sonakshi Roy to tell us how we can save our Mother Earth.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. E is for environment. Keep it clean. If we stand together, we'll win the best team. A is for the animals that we love. Swimming and walking and flying above. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. R is for recycle or use it again. Separate your trash into the right bin. T is for traveling every day. Leave the car and rather walk this way. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. H is for humans. That's what we are. If we work together, we can go so far. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Thank you, Sonakshi. With our collective actions, we can make this planet a better place to live. Now let's go around to know the world's happening with Lochna, who is ready with news bulletin.
Good morning everybody, my name is R. Lochana of class 5C. I am here to update today's news. Now national news. President confers Veer Chakra on Group Captain Abhinandan Varthaman. President also presents gallantry awards and distinguished service decoration in Defence Institute ceremony. Some sports news. World champion PV Sindhu and former world number 1 Srikanth will look for a consistent show in Indonesia Open starting here on Tuesday. Now weather news. Isolated heavy rains possible over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala and Karika, says the Meteorological Department. As for mercury levels, minimum temperatures are likely to fall by 2 to 4 Celsius during the 2 days. Thank you.
Thank you, Lochna. Journal knowledge is very important and is required in every part of our life. Now here comes Satvika with some GK questions.
Good morning everyone. I am O Satvika of class 5C. I am going to present GK questions. The first question is, What is the normal temperature we should adjust the air conditioner to? The answer is 24 degrees. The second question is, which type of energy is used by wind turbines to make energy? The answer is kinetic energy. The third question is, when is National Energy Conservation Day celebrated? The answer is 14th December every year. The fourth question is, which rating or labeling produced by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, and displayed on electrical home appliances such as refrigerator, TV, air conditioner to indicate their energy efficiency? The answer is star labeling. The last question is, what is Earth Hour and how and when is it celebrated? The answer is, the Earth Hour is a global initiative of the World Wildlife Fund WWF that encourages global community to switch off the electrical lights for 1 hour between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. every year on the last Saturday of March. Thank you.
Thank you, Satvika. Now I request our beloved Principal Sir to address the students of class 5th C.
See these little children, class 5th students talking on such issues. I believe that they are being taught the new ways which now the governments are working on and adopting, so that the requirement of very huge population on the earth is taken care of without compromising with the quality of natural resources which are there with us. Children, all of you know that many alternative ways of generating electricity is being worked out. Even in our city, Visakhapatnam itself, you will find that a very big solar plant is being established. It is working well, and many more initiatives are being taken up. So you as the citizen of tomorrow are supposed to educate yourself and try to contribute in the conservation of natural resources, so that you can live happily on this earth, and the natural resources are also transferred in healthy way to the coming generation. Your presentation was well prepared. I saw children looking very disciplined and doing their parts nicely. My congratulations to all of you, and I thank you for making me a part of your presentation. All the very best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. This being the year of Pearl celebration, we wish that the flag of DPS Visakhapatnam flutters in all its glory.
Thank you, one and all. As we have come to the end of the assembly, it's time for the national anthem.